Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create category and courses in Nomio. Nomio has these features of adding courses. You may add a course directly, but creating categories and then adding the course would be a better option. So from the previous video we had landed on a site which looks something like this, and we had an option over here which says available courses, add a new course. You could directly go ahead and add a new course over here. However, creating a category and then adding courses gives it a better navigation map or a navigation path. So making use of category helps in systematic navigation of courses. For example, say that you had computer programming and Java programming as two courses. Now computer programming say was handled by Science and Humanities department, whereas Java programming, for example, say was handled by Information Technology department. Now please understand that computer programming and Java programming are courses, and when I speak about computer programming, I want to categorize it under a label or a category under Science and Humanities. And when I speak about Java programming, I want to categorize it under a label or category Information Technology. So all the courses that I will be creating in future, I want to categorize them under certain appropriate categories. So engineering being my parent category, under the parent category engineering I have the different departments: Science and Humanities, Information Technology, Civil, Mechanical, etc., etc. And whichever subject I am taking or the course I am taking, I am mapping it under the correct category. Now this will be applicable where you may even try to model this as your department and this as different semesters, and if you are taking subjects across different semesters, appropriately group that particular course under that particular category, where categories then will become your semester and courses remain the courses you are taking, and the parent is going to be your department. So if you understood that, how do you create a category? I first click on site administration and then I click on courses. After clicking on courses, I hit up on manage courses and categories. After doing that, it lands me to a page which says create new category, and by default the category created is miscellaneous. Now if you had not created appropriate categories, every time you would have to group it under miscellaneous, which would not be the right and the systematic thing to do while creating an online tutorial or an online site for the student community. So I go ahead and see a systematic way to do it. So the first thing is I create my parent category. Now to come to this page, I have clicked on create new category. So by doing that, I hit here or land here, and the parent category is the topmost. The name of the category is what you put in, that is engineering, and you give a category ID number that will be anything of your choice. I decide to give it 000. The description of that particular category you put in over here. I just say this is a parent category. You may edit this. And then I say create category. However, in the description you may put bulleted, you may put numbered, you may put a link, you may put an image, you may put a video, you may put a audio note and stuff like that. You may put some files also. I just keep it to the bare minimum of writing something, and then I say create category. After that, once I hit on that, you realize or you see that the new category has been created, that is engineering. However, this miscellaneous still remains here, but I will somehow get rid of it in the next coming slide. Now I'll again click on new category because now I want to go ahead and add another category, that is Science and Humanities department. So for that I punch on create new category, and my parent category now will be engineering, and the category name I have chosen now is Science and Humanities, and I chose to give it a number or ID 002. In this case I will try putting an image. So what I did was, first only I have kept all my images and all ready. So I've created one image in Paint wherein I just put the background full black and I just white, and I just wrote in black maths. So that was the only image which I pull in later, and I browse the repositories and click on it and choose the file, and then the file I choose is the maths.file, and I save it as Science and Humanities, and then I click on upload this file. Once I do that, it says it tells me to describe this image, so I just put in something over here, and this was the image. This is what it looked like. Now you can choose the size of the image you want from here, and this is the alignment, whether you want it at the bottom, top, middle, and then you click on save image and then click on create category. Once you do this, you will see that the Science and Humanities category is created, but it is going to be the child of the engineering category. Now we will somehow get rid of the miscellaneous category. So you hover around the miscellaneous category and now click on this wheel kind of an icon that you see. Once you click on this wheel kind of icon that you see, click on delete. Once you click on delete, you have lost it and it's gone, and now you are remaining only with engineering, and under engineering Science and Humanities. Now let's create another category just for seeing how to have one more category like how we had it in the diagram. So I will go ahead and click on create new category, and now here the parent category is engineering, and the category name I would choose is information technology. I give it an ID number and I put in a description over here, and then I click on create category. After doing this, I see that the category is created as information technology. Now here you see that there are these arrows. Now if I wanted to push science and technology up in place of information technology, I would click on this arrow, and if I wanted to push this down, I would choose this arrow. So you see I have chosen the numbers also, the ID 000, 002, 003 in a particular way, so that I can later just kind of sort it. Now I'm creating a new category, but if you see, the categories that I've created come like this. First I have top, then I have engineering, under engineering now I have Science and Humanities, and then I have information technology. Now what if I wanted to create another category under Science and Humanities? So suppose say that I wanted to create a category applied mathematics under Science and Humanities. So I would choose this particular parent category by choosing on this arrow, give it some ID, put in some description, and then click on create category. So if you notice over here, applied mathematics a category come under Science and Humanities. But yes, applied mathematics would be a course, but this was just to see how a category would be grouped under a category already created. So you may appropriately play with this and use it for your own benefit. So by clicking on this arrow, you can push it down, this whole category down, that is Science and Humanities, and information technology goes up. So with this, we have seen how to add categories in Nomio. In the next video, we would see how to add a course or courses in Nomio and group those courses under appropriate categories. Thank you.